Okay, so originally I was going to leave this light as it is, but we may as well do the full LED conversion on this bike, save us some power. So we have a replacement rear light, and this one is full LED. So red and running light, and this does have integrated indicators, which we're going to try. I'm not using them instead of the regular indicators, more as well as, so that's the plan at least. And I know that this old light here is definitely nice. There we go. That can do that. The electrics for this can go through that way, and then we can start unplugging things, plugging them in to the new light. So I know that these indicators can go out the way. So we've got red and white. These do come off because I had them off before. There we go. Come off there, would you? Get the black one off. There we go. There we go. Okay. So yeah, it's literally 3 spades. One for the running, one for the low beam, and one for running, one for brake, and then one ground, if I'm correct in saying. But you can see underneath there where it's absolutely split all the way through. It's part of the reason I thought, yeah, okay, I'll go for it. I originally wasn't going to do the light, but I had a lovely conversation with another Ducati rider who's got a 620 IE, I believe. So, logic says that black be ground, so black and black would go together, red and red would go to, well, maybe yellow is usually a positive as well, so let's put yellow into red and white and red into white. Let's see how we get on with that. Now I've got to figure out which indicator is which, which is going to be interesting, because I don't think there's a way to tell just by the wires. I think you'd have to sort of plug them in and see. So they give you some tiny little connectors on the ends, so I just need to run them to the correct place, which is going to be a positive on the other side of the resistor, is my best guess. So we need to do a test and figure out which is which, so we can do that. I'll put this here. Give it a twist and see.